Hello my friends and welcome to the very first AI tool in the new AI tool space. We will be presenting a new AI tool every week, and the first one we're starting today is a video generation AI tool called Kling AI. It's absolutely amazing. I want us to start with this because with this tool you'll be able to do amazing video generation. Okay, sorry about the French here, but here it is. You just type Kling AI like that in your favorite browser, and then you can take the first link, Kling, and you will end up on the Kling AI page. So it's a brand new Chinese video generation AI tool, which in my opinion is the best today in comparison with InVideo as well, which is amazing InVideo AI. And together today we're going to try a demo of Kling AI. Look at that, look at just these videos like this whale here bouncing on the sand. It's absolutely amazing. So here we go. I'm starting from scratch here just to show you all the steps, and our first step is going to click the Create button. Okay? Well, at the time I'm speaking, Kling 2.0 is here, but we won't be able to use it because we're still on the free trial. We need to be on the premium account in order to try Kling 2.0, but no worries. With Kling 1.6, you will see that we will have already a lot of great credits to make amazing videos. Okay, so let's close this, and our first step will be to sign in. And so here we have the choice between signing in with Google, Apple, or email. Let's do Google. I'm going to enter my hadelin@superdatascience.com email. Then I'm going to click next. I'm going to enter the password. Here we go, the password, and we click next. Okay, it's going to take me to my new Kling AI account through Google. In a second, there we go, you have signed in. Perfect. Okay, it pops again. As you can see, we have 166 credits for the free trial, which is good. You will see we will be able to make an amazing video already. But let's close this, and there we go. I was waiting for this new pop-up window. We have to specify first what we want to do with Kling AI. And so for this demo, I'm actually going to show you how to make a video ad. And it's actually a real use case that I'm applying for myself at the moment, because at the moment I'm trying to make some ads for CloudWolf. It's a platform where we provide online courses on how to get certified in all the AWS certifications like Certified Cloud Practitioner, Solutions Architect Associate, Certified AI Practitioner, and more, like the AWS Developer Associate that is coming very soon. So I want to do some video ads for CloudWolf, to invite people to the CloudWolf platform, and therefore I'm going to choose here Marketing Industry Professional. But you can also choose Media Industry Professional, Content Creator, Freelancer, Artist Designer, Educator, Tech Industry Professional, Student, or Other. Okay, so I'm going to choose this, then click Next, and again here, because I want to make some video ads for CloudWolf, well, again I'm going to choose here Advertising. We click submit, and this will help Kling AI to understand better what you really want to do in terms of video generation. Okay, so now our next step will be to click here video, because that's the purpose of this demo, to create a video ad for CloudWolf. And so here it just tells you that DeepSeek is available. Okay, and so I prepared something amazing, which is really what I'm going to do, for CloudWolf. It's not just a demo I'm inventing. The result of this demo will be used for our own CloudWolf marketing. And so have a look at what I prepared already. I basically already generated an image with, of course, an image generation AI tool of a gamer girl with the CloudWolf t-shirt, a wolf-eyed gamer girl, studying, of course, AWS on her computer. And what I want to do is, in order to not only do some nice marketing, but also some good branding for CloudWolf, well, what I want to do as a video ad is to make her study with her wolf, with her companion wolf that would act like a coach for her to study AWS more efficiently. Okay, so I'm imagining, I don't know, the gamer girl here studying AWS with CloudWolf, but having by her side a wolf, a nice wolf, coaching her to study more efficiently so that she can get AWS certified much faster. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. And I'm going to input this image, of course, for the video generation, because we want to put this girl in action with a wolf. All right, so let's do this. Let's go back to the video generation tool. And so here, there we go. That's our first step. We're going to upload this image. Here we go, CloudWolf Gamer Girl. Then we click open, and it's uploading the image. And then, as you can see, we simply have to enter a prompt. Okay, so here we go. Let's enter the prompt. Let's say, for example, please make a video ad of this girl studying AWS. Okay, let's not say with CloudWolf because she already has CloudWolf on her t-shirt. So just studying AWS, but then let's say with a beautiful wolf by her side, coaching her to work hard to pass her exam. Or we could even say her AWS certification exam. Okay? Please make a video out of this girl studying AWS with a beautiful wolf by her side, coaching her to work hard to pass her AWS certification exam. Perfect. We need actually 100 credits to generate this video, but the sad news, as I said before, is that we can't use Kling 2.0 Master. It's only for the premium plan. I can try again if you want, but I guess it will say, there we go, that we need to upgrade to premium, but no worries. Actually, the previous version, Kling 1.6, is really good, and for 5 seconds of video generated, it only requires 20 credits. But of course, let's make a better video, like say, well, we don't have many options, but let's do 10 seconds instead. One output, yes. Let's just see what it can do. And this, what is standard? Oh yeah, here it's either standard or professional, and we're gonna keep that to standard. Okay, perfect. And that's it. That's all you need to do. You just upload your image, then you make a pretty precise prompt, and you can configure some things here. Of course, all the other number of outputs are for VIPs only. And then here, what does it say? Oh, nice. That's how you can adjust the creativity versus the relevance. And okay, I think we should stay in the middle because we need to be as much creative as relevant. Okay, so here we go. It requires 40 credits. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Generate. And now it's going to generate this video. And no, I don't believe it's going to be 1 minute. Yeah, 3 minutes. But even that is not realistic. I think it's going to take much more time than 3 minutes. I would be really surprised and impressed that it only takes 3 minutes, but let's see. One task in progress, as you can see. All right. I can't wait to see this video ad of this gamer girl studying AWS with CloudWolf, accompanied by her wolf companion who coaches her to study harder for that exam. And let's see if it's going to be able to generate this video in only 2 minutes. Of course, if you upgrade, it's going to be faster, because actually the reason why it's taking a bit of time is that we are in the queue. And of course, if you take the premium account, it will have higher priority. By the way, I don't have any affiliation with Kling AI. I'm just testing it out in order to present to you the best AI tools on the planet today. And we will be presenting a new one every week, because personally, I feel completely overwhelmed by all the AI tools that are being released all the time and not knowing what to choose, what to use. And so I thought we would make this new space in order to, well structure all these AI tools by only showing the best ones so that you don't waste your time trying all of them. And there we go. We have our gamer girl ready to study with the wolf. Wow, this was actually pretty fast. This is amazing. Even with the free tier, we get a video pretty fast. So what do you want to do? Do you want to play it here or do you want to download it first? Let's download it and, well, let's play it here. All right, here we go. Oh, okay, so let's save it and let's watch it here. Can we do full screen here? Yes, we can. Here we go. All right. Let's have a look from the start. Okay, she's studying, she's typing on her computer, and the wolf is a bit moving. Yes, the wolf is beautiful with some nice blue eyes and not really coaching her, but that's not too bad. Okay, nice. And I saw the ears move in the end. Did you see that? It was pretty cool. Look at that. The ears are going to move in the end. Yes, you see? So that's pretty good. But I wish the wolf was acting a bit more like a coach, But that was pretty good. And to be honest, I actually already did the test before by myself, before recording this. And let me show you the one that I had obtained. You will find that in my download. Here it is. That's the video. That's the one I obtained when I tried Kling AI by myself. And actually, it was a bit better. Look at that. I'm going to show you the video. It's a bit better indeed. Check this out. 3, 2, 1, go. See, the wolf here is a bit more in action. It's moving. It's still not really acting like a coach, but I don't know, I find it more alive. And again, the ear is moving. So there we go. You see, it's not too bad. And honestly, that really makes me want to take the premium version because it's going to be even better with the premium version. But there you go. That's what we can do today in terms of video generation. And at the time I'm speaking, Kling AI is at the top of the race. Alright, so that was the AI tool of this week, Kling AI. We look forward to presenting to you the next AI tool, which will be next week, right? We will be presenting one AI tool every week. And so until then, enjoy AI.